Are you looking for a magic recipe for healthy and shiny hair? The solution is between. In natural advertising, natural oils are not just cosmetic products, they are rich treasures of vitamins, and acids that nourish your hair until it is sorted. Natural weapon damage. Moisturizing the skin. The oils work to form an anti-hair film that traps moisture and prevents its dryness and pounding. Hair follicles. Provide the hair follicles with the nutrients needed for strong and healthy hair growth. Protect hair from damage. Protects oils from damage caused by polymer agents and thermal styling. Scalp treatment. Oils help relieve pressure on the head, soothe itching and dandruff. It tends to the natural body. It tends to demand hairiness and a silky touch. The most famous natural cosmetics and its benefits. Coconut oil, a powerful moisturizer, destroys damage, promotes hair growth. Argan oil, rich in vitamin E, fights and refreshes. Castor oil, produces hair growth, strengthens the experience, reduces hair loss. Olive oil, moisturizing and nourishing, warnings from shelling. Sweet almond oil, moisturizes the scalp, nourishes the hair. Tips for using natural cosmetics. Choose the right oil for your hair type. Each hair type needs a different type of oil. Massage your scalp enough. This helps to provide water relief and oil access to the hair connections. Use a warm oil. It helps better to lighten pores and softens better. Covers your hair with a shower quarter. The benefits of thermal repair and increasing the effectiveness of the oil. Wash your hair enough with shampoo and conditioner. It benefits from excess oil.